everyone! I'd like to show you the steps in making bamboo dragonfly. This is how to make sheath. Use a piece of paper instead of bamboo. Please prepare a cardboard, a straw, scissors, and a stapler. Please cut the cardboard into size of 16 cm by 2 cm. Please cut the straw at some length. Please cut it vertically with scissors like this. Fold the cardboard into half. Insert it in the cut part of the straw and stapler. Fold the cardboard straightly diagonally like this. Fly the paper dragonfly by rubbing both your hands. Have fun! By holding the cardboard diagonally, the distance of the air generated by rotation is changed to upward lift. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!